Hey guys, I have here my Harman Kardon NEO portable Bluetooth speaker, and today I want to show you how to unpair this speaker from devices that the speaker has previously been paired to. And so this process that we're going through is called the factory reset. And everything that this does is just reset the entire speaker, and that includes removing all the devices that it has been paired to before. And we just press and hold the volume up and down button that is on the right side here. And then at the same time we're going to take a look at the LED that is here on the front. So I'm just going to press and hold it, and it takes about 10 seconds. Then the speaker is going to automatically shut down. And while it does that, the LED is going to switch to red. So just what we just saw here. It briefly went to red and then the speaker shut off. So now the factory reset is already performed and completed. So the next time we're going to turn on the speaker, it is now automatically activating the Bluetooth pairing mode. So that's a really good indicator that the speaker really went through the factory reset. And we can also see here on my phone that it is not able to connect to the Neo at this point. So we do have to erase the Harman Kardon NEO from my phone and then restart the pairing process. Yeah, and this is already it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about this speaker.